Hello, we are Munch Microgreens, an agriculture technology startup focused on transparently and sustainably feeding a growing population. Did you know that it takes over a week after being harvested for your salad to work its way through the long, high carbon emission supply chain before arriving at the store for you to buy? Here is Farmer Freddie, who practices traditional horizontal farming, only utilizing his land square footage potential, wasting space. As populations grow, farmable land decreases, with increased pressure for farmers to sell their farmland close to the city.
Microgreens consist of a variety of vegetable greens that are harvested after growing their first leaves at about 3 inches tall rather than at full maturation. Our fully operational urban farm is centrally located in an industrial center near Sky Harbor Airport and major highways, significantly reducing the distance and time our product has to travel to reach a happy customer like you. Not to mention, all of our processing, growing, harvesting, and packaging has all been done within the facility for over a year, significantly reducing our carbon footprint. Much like cities develop the skyscraper to increase the productive capacity of land, agriculture also needs to go vertical to maximize the growing urban environment as well. Here at Munch, we utilize a fully climate-controlled indoor space, allowing us to produce year-round, not just when temperatures are favorable outside. Furthermore, we grow our microgreens vertically rather than horizontally, allowing us to maximize all of our space and cubic footage potential. This is a much more sustainable agricultural model, giving us the competitive advantage over traditional farmers. Not only is our growing ability more advanced than traditional agricultural practices, but our microgreens also contain up to 40% more nutritional value than their fully matured counterparts, proving a sustainable way to deliver nutrients to the growing population. With their aromatic flavors, concentrated nutrients, and variety of colors and textures, our microgreens are a truly superior product. We track much more data than a traditional farmer, far exceeding the industry standards. Think of it like baking a cake. In logging data such as seed inventory and amounts of light and water, we're able to comprise a plant recipe, which can then be harvested and converted into a salad kit. This yields data that we can share with consumers to bolster confidence, allows regulators to ensure compliance, and business partners to strengthen deals. We have developed a computer-controlled farm using IoT devices, collecting data points throughout the entire growth cycle. We operate under the ambitious notion of automate everything, which will eventually lead to a farm that can be managed completely online.
In the US, the total packaged salad market is roughly $2 billion. Phoenix alone is at about $28 million and is rising quickly. The global indoor farming market was estimated at $107 billion in 2017. Munch Microgreens has several existing sales channels, including online and direct-to-consumer sales. Our current market strategy starts with a USDA audit. Passing this audit will certify us to become a commercial supplier of produce. We will then increase our grow capacity and continue to go on a targeted sales campaign. The audience for our sales campaign is buyers at produce distribution companies as well as local grocers and restaurants. With updating our manufacturing, tooling, and refining processes, we have already increased production by 100% in the past month. We've also completed 30% of our USDA audit, registered with the FDA, and have obtained the Arizona Grown Certificate.
In Arizona, there are no other year-round commercial microgreen growers. We are seeking $20,000 to accelerate Munch's success. $8,000 will be used to fabricate and acquire growing equipment, resulting in a dramatic 1,000% increase in production. $7,000 will be used to develop automation equipment, reducing labor costs and enhancing our data capture. Finally, $5,000 will be used for working capital. By purchasing seed and growing medium in bulk quantities, we can halve the landed cost of our salads. We are projecting 45% revenue growth month over month for the first year. At the end of March 2022, we expect to achieve 20% gross margins and break even.
Our team is made up of 4 individuals that are passionate about sustainability, technology, and agriculture. Oh yeah, and we forgot to mention, Munch microgreens are also super delicious. They can be used as a replacement or supplement for lettuce in salad dishes and sandwiches, as well as garnishes on top of meals, and so many more ways as you can see.